This dance is called Sha-la-la-la. It's 32 count, 2 walks. There's no tag, no restart. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Walk 3 steps and clap 3 times. Walk, 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 clap, clap, clap. Side, behind, quarter to the left. Let me show you section 1 again. Walk, 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 clap, clap, clap. Side, behind, quarter to the left. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, make a pivot half turn to the left. Step half turn, turn cha-cha, rock, recover, side, touch. Section 2 again, make a pivot half turn to the left. Step half turn, turn cha-cha, rock back, recover, side, touch. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, make a quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn, step together, back coaster, back together, forward. Make a half turn to your right and forward shuffle. Section 3, quarter to the right together and back coaster. Step pivot half turn, forward shuffle. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Side hold with a clap 3 times. Side hold with a clap. Make a half turn to your right shoulder. Side hold with a clap. And one more half turn to the right shoulder. Side hold with a clap and side chassé. Let me repeat section 4. Side hold with a clap. Half turn to the right. Hold with a clap. Half turn to the right. Hold with a clap. And side chassé to the left. Section 4 with a count. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5 hold 6, 7 and 8. And you finish the dance. Let me show you the whole dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5 hold 6, 7 and 8.